ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, only building contractors can take fire alarms off the wall to replace them or to adjust the settings on them to make sure that they are on the appropriate setting. But building occupants cannot do that, because if building occupants take the alarm off the wall or adjust the settings on it, that is tampering. And you know how I feel about tampering. It is totally unacceptable and is against the law. So building occupants, never ever take the alarm off the wall or adjust the settings on it. Leave the alarm alone. Leave it to the building contractors or fire marshal to take it off the wall to adjust the settings on it. But building occupants are not allowed to do that. Unless you are the fire marshal or a building contractor, you are not allowed to take the alarm off the wall or adjust the settings on it unless you are given permission to do so when you are replacing it or you are adjusting it to make sure that it's on the right settings. But other than that, leave it alone. Only the building contractors or the fire marshal can take the alarm off the wall to replace it or adjust the settings on it. But other than that, no one should take the alarm off the wall or adjust the settings on it, because building occupants that take the alarm off the wall and adjust the settings on it, that is tampering. You don't do that. Never ever mess with fire alarms in any public building. Leave the alarm the way it is.